Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and a warm welcome to all of you to the 4th Financial Leadership Awards 2021. I'm your host, Bhavna Bhatia, promising you a great ceremony ahead. Well, with the belief that the reward for the work well done is the opportunity to do more and recognition is the greatest motivation, we bring to you, ladies and gentlemen, the Financial Leadership Awards to acknowledge, reward, and celebrate excellence. While each nomination which we have received has been researched and thoroughly evaluated by our core jury members. Between the core committee, they have personally got in touch with every nominee and combined with the hard copy document, they have evaluated these entries on a 5-point parameter. The whole purpose of this research by involving industry professionals is to keep the process transparent, avoid ambiguity, and build 100% credibility to the awards function and the awardees. From these, the jury members have thus formed a core committee who then go on to filing the nomination and personally getting in touch with every individual company and understand their nomination. Well, here are our core jury members whom we'd like to humbly thank. Mr. Sambasivan G, CFO, Tata Sky Limited, Mr. Sundar Krishnan, Chief Risk Officer, Reliance Nippon Life Insurance Company Limited, Mr. Rajendra Kamath, CFO, Reliance Retail Limited, Mr. Neeraj Goyal, CFO, Jaguar and Company Private Limited, and Mr. Mandeep Mehta, CFO, Max Life Insurance Company Limited. Well, let's hear a few words from a couple of these jury members about their experience.
Hello everyone. First of all, I am thankful to Kamikaze for giving me this opportunity to judge this prestigious event. It was very difficult to judge amongst all the competent nominees, but we tried our level best. They were judged on different parameters like EBITDA growth, their growth in organization, growth of organization, and all such parameters actually. And the parameters were very good. One of the things I noticed is that the things are changing rapidly in the industry, and how to take advantage of such changes is very critical. And many of the nominees they did that. So I'm giving wishing all the best to all the nominees. Thanks everyone.
Hello friends, it was an interesting experience to be a part of 4th edition of the Financial Leadership Awards 2021 from Kamikaze. The experience was interesting and it provided me an opportunity to interview great people who are involved in the risk management sphere. I could interview chief risk officers and understand the composition of risk management team in terms of their dynamism, in terms of their capability and the emerging leadership, the support that these risk managers provided to the organization. Thank you.
So, ladies and gentlemen, it is now time to begin with the awards ceremony. Well, the first category is Excellence in Financial Planning and Analysis, and we've got two winners here. The first winner is Amway India Enterprises Private Limited, FP and A team. Well, let's hear a few words from Mr. Bikash Mukherjee, AVP and Head of Treasury, Amway India Enterprises Private Limited.
As well as the Honorable Jury for naming our company as a winner for the year 2021. We are extremely happy to receive such high recognition which will help us in motivating my team in the long run and additional deliverables and commitments. The APNA team has done an outstanding job of getting the business back on track by laying a solid foundation and collaboration with the business leader, and we will keep working in this direction, keeping the founders' growth mindset in mind for future endeavor. Thanks once again for all your support.
Well, congratulations, Mr. Mukherjee. Well, with this, it is now time to find out the second winner. And the second winner is India First Life Insurance Company Limited. Well, let's hear a few words from Mr. Kedar Patki, CFO, India First Life Insurance Company Limited. Thank you for joining us. Over to you.
Thank you, organizers and jury, for this award. I am truly delighted. India First Life is a 12 years young company with a vision to become preferred insurer for every Indian. And in making this possible, financial planning plays definitely a crucial role. I would like to thank my entire team and my management for making this possible. While I believe in working for my own satisfaction and giving my best to the company, External validation is truly welcome. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much, Mr. Patki, for those words of encouragement. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it is now time to move on to the second category, which is excellence in financial transformation. Well, let's find out who the winner is. The winner is GDPL Hathway Limited. Well, let's hear a few words from Mr. Anil Bothra, CFO, GDPL Hathway Limited.
Thanks, Chemicage. We are extremely pleased to have such recognition for contribution in digital finance transformation that has excelled GTPL in making digital transformation journey at finance very successful. This awards only instill more faith and confidence in our team and processes. The revenue assurance team, treasury, information technology along with business team come together and bringing new arenas and efficient way of doing business during period of challenges and uncertainties caused by the pandemic which threatened mankind. They learned to make advantage of digital tool, enable them to study, work from home, access entertainment, shop for essentials. At GTPL we have also leveraged on digital finance technology and benefited immensely, that reflecting in our operational performance. I would also like to thank entire GTPL One team on behalf of finance team with whose contribution we are here for the celebration and receiving this prestigious award. Special thanks to Mr. Anirudh Singh Jadeja, MD for GTPL Hathway Limited for his unflinching support. Also thanks to Chemicage, esteemed jury members and all for having come together and supporting our efforts at this ceremony to showcase our journey of excellence in finance transformation. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Bothra, for joining us. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it is now time to move on to the third category, which is best-in-class framework and systems. And the winner is PNB MetLife India Insurance Company Limited. Well, let's hear a few words from Mr. Anjan Bhattacharya, CRO, PNB MetLife India Insurance Company Limited.
Hi, I am Anjan Bhattacharya, Chief Risk Officer of PNB MetLife India Insurance Company Limited. At the first outset, I would like to thank the jury and B2B Kamikaze Media for bestowing this coveted award of Best-in-Class Risk Management Framework and System. Trust me, it gives me immense pleasure to dedicate this award to all my 15,000 plus employees who work every day to make sure that all our strategic objectives are based on a risk-based platform, we stay relevant, and we continue in our aspiration of building a lasting organization. This award is a coveted recognition of their work, and I'm sure it's going to be a great confidence booster for all of them. At the end, thank you so very much for showing this confidence on PNB MetLife. Thank you.
And now for the fourth category, best-in-class cash management solution provider, and the winner is High Radius Corporation. Well, let's hear a few words from Mr. Pranay Ramakrishnan, Head of Business Development and Sales Treasury, APAC High Radius Corporation.
Hi, my name is Pranay Ramakrishnan and I'm the Head of Business Development and Sales for High Radius Treasury in APAC. We've just launched a very powerful AI-enabled cash forecasting solution with 25 different AI models for the treasurers in APAC. And I would like to thank the Financial Leadership Award and the jurors for selecting us as the winners of the Cash Management Solution Provider category. Thank you.
Thank you and congratulations, Mr. Ramakrishnan. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it is now time to move on to the Category 5, Best-in-Class Treasury Automation. And let's find out who the winner is. And the winner is Titan Company Limited. Well, let's hear a few words from Mr. Ashok Sonthalia, CFO, Titan Company Limited.
We were really delighted to know that Titan Treasury has won the Best in Class Automation Award for its collection accounting project. Thank you for the recognition. I think with multiple business line, many channels and several brands, this collection accounting used to be quite complicated for all of us, and this project really simplified the whole process and brought in a lot of efficiency. Thank you very much once again.
Thank you so much, Mr. Sunthalia, for that wonderful achievement, and congratulations once again to you and your entire team. Moving on to the next category, which is Category 6, Transformation Initiative in Treasury Management, and the winner is KPIT Technologies Limited. Well, let's hear a few words from Ms. Priya Hardikar, SVP and Head Corporate Finance Governance, KPIT, joining us.
Hello, I'm Priya Hardikar, CA for KPIT Technologies. I thank jury members for selecting KPIT for this coveted award. Thank you very much. I also thank Kamikaze team for organizing the event. Having said that, this award has come as an outcome of our tremendous efforts that team has put in over the last 2 to 3 years. This net cash balance is a representation of strongest balance sheet with 72% plus of the net worth. This has given the boost to our growth. I considering this is a finance achievement in the company. Thank you again for considering us for the award. Thank you the jury members and Kamikaze team.
Thank you and congratulations, Ms. Priya, on that wonderful achievement. Well, moving on to the Category 7, it is time for the top treasury team, and the winner is Union Bank of India Treasury. Let's hear a few words from Mr. Sudarshana Bhatt, GM Treasury, Union Bank of India.
To be considered for Best Treasury Team, it is a great honor and a privilege for me, as it is rightly said, coming together is beginning, keeping together is progress, and working together is success. So alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. As we all are going through an unprecedented time which prepare us to deal with unknown. Our team has performed unanimously well during this period. I sincerely thank each one of my team members, seniors and colleagues for helping us to reach a milestone stage where we can profoundly hold this award as a mark of achievement. Thank you team, thank you Kamikaze Media, thank you.
Thank you and congratulations, Mr. Bhatt, on that wonderful achievement. Well, with this, it is now time to move on to the next category, which is Category 8, Top Risk Management Team, and the winner is Reliance General Insurance Company Limited, ERCG and RCO. Congratulations. Well, let's hear a few words from Mr. Jasmeet Singh, CRO, Reliance General Insurance Company Limited.
Thank you, team Kamikaze and the jury members for believing in us and awarding us with the Best Risk Management Team of the Year award. I think all I can say is you cannot play a symphony alone. You need an entire orchestra to play it. Hence, I humbly accept this award on behalf of Team Reliance General Insurance Company, and I dedicate this award to each and every team member of the organization. And further, I truly believe that we have higher milestones to achieve, and we will strive hard towards it to ensure that we are felicitated in many such forums going forward. So with this, I thanks once again to the organizers and really compliment them for organizing such a great event. Thank you so much once again. Thank you.
Well, congratulations to Mr. Singh and his entire team. Ladies and gentlemen, moving on to the Category 9 CRO of the Year, and the winner is Anjan Bhattacharya, CRO, PNB MetLife India Insurance Company Limited. Well, let's hear a few words from Mr. Anjan Bhattacharya.
Good evening, friends. In today's ever-changing world, the board of directors are more interested to have an assurance that at any point of time, the strategic objective of the company is not jeopardized. And I think this is exactly the job of each one of us as the risk manager of the company. I would like to thank the management of PNB MetLife in having complete trust and giving me empowerment for building a long-lasting and a resilient organization. I would also like to thank the jury and B2B Kamikaze Media on bestowing this coveted award to me, being the Chief Risk Officer of the Year. Trust me, this gives me enough confidence and a motivation to continue to do my job with full sincerity and dedication. Thank you so very much. I feel humbled today.
And for the final category, which is CFO of the Year, we've been waiting for this award. Let's find out who the winner is. And hold your breath, ladies and gentlemen, the winner is Nilesh Kothari, CFO, Bharti AXA Life Insurance Company Limited. Well, let's hear a few words from Mr. Nilesh Kothari.
On behalf of Bharti AXA Life Insurance, I am truly honored to receive this award from esteemed jury of Kamikaze CFO Leadership Award. Bharti AXA Life has been on a transformational journey since last 3 years, and one thing that justifies this recognition and award the most is the role of CFO in this kind of orbit-shifting journey. I truly want to thank my team for their incredible support and leadership team of Bharti AXA Life who have co-owned this responsibility with me. Thank you so much.
Well, congratulations, Mr. Kothari. A great win right there, and congratulations on being the CFO of the year. Well, with this, ladies and gentlemen, we come to the end of the award ceremony. A big thank you to all the jury members, our partner, and congratulations to all the award winners. We hope that we all meet personally in the 2022 edition. Take care, and we all at Kamikaze B2B Media are waiting to meet you in person very soon. Well, this is me, Bhavna Bhatia, signing off for today.